Hey! There's a whole standing up thing going on. Don't do that to her.
I'm killing you, Fred.
And y'all call this dancing?
No, this is dancing. Disco!
Hey, Nana likes disco. She was born in it.
YMCA!
Well, you got the letters all backwards, but you can try that again.
I did that with YMCA!
Well,
Hey,
the
Ray.
C goes the other way, baby. Last time I checked it.
Yeah! Oh, ow. I did not hurt you. Poke, poke, poke. Okay, do your head.
And you know what? Nana's going to love it that your room is pink. Because Daddy and you don't know how to judge mixed paint.
Hey, hey, he got the colors.
I know, it shows good. It's pink.
Get up! Oh. Whoa! You know what?
What is this called, lady?
I don't know. Piggybacker? No, I can barely breathe.
Girl! Rainy?
What? Hey, I know it didn't hurt, but you didn't get that. It can't hurt if you didn't hit it. No, that hurt.
She got you, Ray.
It's shorter than my mouth. I'm sorry. But you had that coming. Petey, shut up! Ow! Ow!
You let her do it, Christina. Are we like out to see if we can harm each other tonight? And you guys call this dancing?
We call it wrestling. Hey, let go of his hands. I don't want to
Rainy.
What? What? Hey. I know that really irritates you. Hey,
Now, what kind of dance is this?
fighting dance.
And what are you doing this?
Sometimes you're giving me a hug in a different way. But now I'm not. Why are you doing that? It's a very simple move. Yeah, but not super hard. Well, what am I supposed to grab? Your legs and do that?
No, that would have been a trick. Come on, girls. Come on, Christina. Christina, you're not that hurt. I've seen you wallop her and knock her on her butt in the floor from a chair.
Where's she at? You're grabbing a sweater. Oh, so you want to play? Oh, move a sec.
I did move.
I kicked you in the butt. Right